My god, guys, it's been forever since I've been able to vlog. It's like it's only been like a day, but it felt like forever. Anyways, I got a new camera. I want to show it to you guys real quick so you guys can see. It's just the Sony Alpha 5100. I actually like it. I think the quality might be a little bit better than my Canon SX 730HS, which I actually sold that one and then bought this one. So that is why I haven't vlogged in a while, because of that. I just had issues with setting this up. Then I had to purchase another lens, this is a lens I just purchased for $100. And then I also have this lens for it, which is like a 50, what is it? It's a 55-210, so it's more for like photography. Hi guys, oh my god, I love the quality on this camera. Like, geez, it looks so good. Excuse my messy hair. This is like my natural curly hair, and it's like I brushed it out last night, so now it's just like a big poof ball. But anyways, today's the day I get my eyelashes done. And if you guys don't know already, I actually just purchased a new camera. It's the Sony Alpha 5100 or whatever. 5100, I don't know. Anyways, I absolutely love the quality on it. I hope the quality is better than my last camera, because my last camera, this one is probably just as cheap, but like you could switch out the lenses, which is great because then your quality on your camera will be way better. And it's also touchscreen, which I think is pretty awesome. Anyways, I don't know how to use the touchscreen. I tried like tapping on it and it doesn't really work. But anyways, so yeah, I'm vlogging on a new camera. Happy Vlogmas. Today I'm gonna get my eyelash extensions with my friend. My appointment's in an hour and a half. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to get eyelash extensions. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Like, look, it looks like I don't even have any eyelashes right now. My eyelashes used to be really full, and like ever since I wore mascara and stuff, they kind of just stopped being healthy. So yeah, I'm just hanging out right now. I got my cup of coffee right there. I cleaned up my room yesterday, kind of sort of, like, except for that mess right there, but like everything else is all organized. The desk is all neat. There was like stuff everywhere here for it, but now not no more, which is great. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Then I want to go look at these apartments Josh and I are gonna move into when our lease is up at this house. I already know that they already went through like a new management company, and I know like when it's time to re-sign the lease, they're gonna up our rent like a couple of hundred, like 500, I'd say. Not a couple, like $500, which we're already paying $18.75 a month, so I don't want to pay more. I might as well purchase a house. So Josh and I are gonna rent an apartment and just stay there for a year, build our credit, and then get a house, which will be awesome. Yeah. Plus, I can't really see myself being in this house forever. Like, it's just not it doesn't feel homey. It has too much work that needs to be done in it, that it's just like, we don't want to bring people over, because like the outside of the house is ugly. Like the backyards, there's no grass, like just dead weeds that we had to mow. And then in the front, just dead weeds too that we had to mow. It's just not pleasant at all. So yeah. But anyways, I unfortunately can't do my makeup before I go, which sucks because I really want to do my makeup right now, because I have time to, but I can't. So yeah, I'm gonna just watch some YouTube videos and write in my planner. So I will see you guys after I get my eyelash extensions done or before I leave. Okay guys, just did my eyebrows. They look really good today. I don't know what I did. It's like I put like a moisturizer on top of them so they're not like so dry when I put on the, oh, why is the lighting messed up? So I don't put on the So when I put on the gel powder stuff or the gel stuff, it doesn't look all like dried out. So yeah, I put moisturizer on this time. Alright guys, I'm all ready. I'm just wearing my Victoria's Secret shirt, some leggings, and my Vans. Yeah. So excited. I gotta leave in like 6 minutes. It's down the street from my house, so I don't really need to like rush out of here. But yeah, it's so gloomy outside today. It kind of makes me sad. Yeah, that is what's going on. I'm so excited. I don't think I'm gonna wear contacts today to show them off, only because I don't want to mess with them. Hi. Hi. Say like and subscribe. Hi guys. You're so cute. She loves being on camera, huh?
You're my biggest fan. I'm your biggest fan.
She's watching The Incredibles. Yep.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So alright, so I got my eyelashes done. And they were only $37. Like, oh my god, they look so good. They feel like really heavy. But I love them. I gotta get a spoolie so I can brush them out. I do want to do my makeup. Like, I want to maybe put some foundation on and highlight. Look really good. So we are on our way to go meet up with our friends to go eat Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm definitely not going to be vlogging in there just because that's weird. But anyways, this is, how many hours has it been since I got my my eyelashes done? It's been 4 hours since I got my eyelashes done, and they feel absolutely comfortable. Everybody who has had their eyelashes done keep on saying how it hasn't felt comfortable for them, or that they had a bad experience with them, but unfortunately, well, not fortunately, for me, it has been very comfortable. It has been very comfortable for me, so I don't know what everybody else is saying about their eyelashes not working out for them. I mean, everybody has different experiences, but yeah, so far for me, it's been pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna go eat Buffalo Wild Wings and go home and watch a movie and relax. This is my Saturday. Not too eventful, but
there's nothing else.
We could watch that one movie that we were watching last night that I fell asleep to.
Equalizer? No, it wasn't that good.
It wasn't? So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm wearing my MAC lipstick. It's in the color So Me. And Josh is wearing his new Chicago Bears hoodie that I got him for Christmas. And I insisted that he open it early. Like I told him.
Insist.
He loves it though, right baby? You love your Bears hoodie? I was so nervous he wasn't gonna like it. Baby, your blinker's still on.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to get it right for this intersection.
We're going left and we're going south, we're not going north. Oh wait, south is that way too anyways. Anyways, yeah, I'm so obsessed with my eyelashes and I got a really good deal on them.
Brakes aren't working.
Shut up. Oh yeah, and we got the brakes done too, so that's a plus. We're gonna get our bumper in January and get this car looking beautiful as ever again because this is our baby and we gotta treat her like a baby, but we haven't. But we're gonna treat her like a baby again. No more putting holes in her, no more damaging her. Anyways, I will see you guys in a bit, and if I don't, that means that the vlog ended. Don't forget to like and subscribe.